E-commerce blazes ahead, prompting greater workforce efficiency and innovation. Wearable scanners offer accurate, connected, hands-free operation and real-time accuracy, fulfilling industry challenges, optimizing productivity and competitiveness. Introducing CODiScan from Datalogic, Bluetooth wearable scanning technology. A small, powerful, lightweight and highly scalable device, providing best-in-class scanning of 1D and 2D codes. Pivotal for e-commerce, warehousing, retail, and manufacturing. A smart scanning system, simply aim, scan, and receive instant feedback via an audible beep, 180-degree viewable LEDs, and the famous green spot. An optimized battery ensures up to 12,000 scans from a single charge, providing power for 2 back-to-back shifts. Ease of care covers all hardware and battery against premature failure and ensures proper disposal. Maximize user experience and return of investment with extreme flexibility and modularity. CODiScan's multifunctional key and versatile hand trigger adapt to various tasks, simplifying asset management. With washable fabric, eco-friendly disposal, and customizable hand trigger and charging options, it ensures optimal performance and the highest return on investment. Experience the lowest total cost of ownership with Datalogic's CODiScan, easy to use, install, and configure. Seamless integration with mobile devices via Aladdin app and Gateway Connect, simplifying operations and reducing setup time. Lightweight size, heavyweight performance, providing ultimate user experience and unbeatable return of investment to any workforce. Handle more with CODiScan.